V8F dropping bomb. This is the AliExpress fake grenade. I had a little trick that I asked my friend, coworker, whatever, say, "Oh, I need your help. Can you pull this out of here?" And then people will be like scared. Oh no, that's a grenade. Anyway, this thing is only like $3 from AliExpress. If you want, order it. It's a fun little toy. So today in this video, I am going to show you my latest sound effect for my big hamster. So when I turn it on, it'll say Wrecking Ball Online, and see what happened when I turn on the light.
Ready for combat.
And when I finish writing and shut off the light, or when I enter a store and when I turn off the light,
The hamster appreciates your help.
because I play Overwatch every day for 1 hour, it's very important for me to hear the sound effects. And the Inmotion EUC allows you to do that. You can download, put in any music you like. And today just gonna show everybody how to do that. And let's say if I had an accident and I fall down.
Unsafe position.
And when I finish writing and I turn it off, this is what you will hear.
Shut down.
Oh, very cool. And I'm going to charge, because the battery is kind of low, so I'm going to charge this and you hear the very cool sound effect. So depending on what kind of sound you like, you can put, oh yeah, when I do the kill switch, it's gonna go. So now, let me shut it down, and then I connect to the power. So, charging my big hamster, and you can hear the very cool sound effect. So now I plug in and I connect the power. Here we go, connecting. You hear that? And let's say when I stop charging, so I'm going to disconnect here.
Hamster revived. Repairing.
So this is a lot more fun when you are using your EUC. When you're entering store, people can turn on light, turn off light. People around you can also hear the sound effect. So I want to quickly show everybody how to do that. First, on the Google, you want to search. So you type in the Overwatch sound effect. Or it can be anything, but for me, I like Overwatch, so I use that. And then I click on the sound of Overwatch. And then there's the different character. And then you can hear the sound. Now, because I like hamsters, so I download a whole bunch of hamster sound. Then it's on my smaller screen. Once you unzip the file, you'll see a whole bunch of file. And whenever the audio that you like, you just copy it and then rename it. So you have to create a new folder like this, new folder, and then give your new folder a new name. In my case, I call sugar bomb. And then inside there's different kinds of condition, right? Bluetooth off, Bluetooth charge complete, charging done, horn, key tone, light off, light on, low battery, see you, welcome. So you have to get all those sound files created by drag and drop. So I'll do one example. Let's say I like this sound effect. Then I drag into the window that I created. Then I copy here. So let's say this one is for turning on. Then you change the name. Turn on. EUC. So once you have all the sound effect created in the folder, then what you have to do is to connect your phone with the USB cable like this. Connect like this. And then on the PC, you transfer this folder that you created. In my case, it's called Sugar Bomb. So I copy this folder into the phone. Okay? And once the copy process is complete, you turn on the Inmotion app. So let me turn it on. But now I'm charging, so I have to disconnect first. Okay, I turn it on. Okay, now I turn it on, and then you go to your phone app, go to Inmotion app. Okay, right here.
Enemy detected.
Okay. When my Bluetooth connected, it'll say enemy detected. Okay, now show you another sound effect I have. If I press the horn, hamster screaming. So if I'm riding in a bicycle trail and there are stupid people blocking the way, I'm going to be pressing my horn. People are like, "Oh, what is that?" Okay, and once this is done, you go into the setting, and then go into the sound, and go into the audio pack. So right now I have Sugar Bomb enabled, and there are many different sound effects that come with it. So what you want to do is to press the DIY sound pack, create from template. So you use one as your base and then use that base to change. So for example, if I use the English, because all the sound file already download onto your phone, so now here you can change.
Welcome.
So you see this when you turn it on.
See you.
This is when you turn off. So go through each one of this, and then here you go select the folder. Then you go to your phone file, the one that you copy from your computer to your phone. So upload everything, and once you finish your setup, you save your sound pack. Like you press the compose, and then it will start uploading onto your EUC. This uploading process take a long time, about 10 minutes. And when you do that, you have to let it lie down. That's the requirement that they ask you to do it. So you have to let it lie down.
Unsafe position.
Okay, so now it's lying down. Now in this position, you can upload the sound file. Okay, so that's a little bit complicated, But once you get this done, it's really fun, really exciting. Everyone with Inmotion EUC should get this done so that your riding experience is much more fun. On the King Song, they don't have these features. Okay. Be Gold also don't have this feature. So this is the one of the best things that you can do on the Inmotion EUC. Highly recommend. That's it for today's video. Crazy Superman. We'll talk to you guys next time. Ciao.